Imagine living simply while your money quietly grows in the background, like a tree you plant once, but enjoy its fruits for years. That's the secret of many frugal people. They don't just save money, they invest it wisely in assets that build wealth over time. But here's the twist. In 2025, the smartest frugal people aren't only investing in traditional stocks or real estate. They're putting their money into modern, under-the-radar assets that quietly generate passive income without much effort. This isn't about working harder or cutting out every little pleasure. It's about making smart choices with the money you already have. From digital investments to eco-friendly projects, these assets work in the background while you focus on living your life. In this video, we'll explore 6 unique assets that can help frugal people grow their wealth steadily, and you don't need a fortune to get started. Number 1. Digital infrastructure shares. In 2025, one of the smartest ways frugal people build wealth is by investing in digital infrastructure shares. But what does that mean? Think of the internet as a city. Just like a city needs roads and buildings, the internet needs servers, cloud storage, and data centers to run smoothly. Digital infrastructure shares let you own a small piece of these systems. Instead of buying stocks in big tech companies, you invest directly in the backbone of the internet. This includes things like decentralized cloud storage, private data networks, VPNs, and even internet satellites. Why does this matter now? Because everything from work to entertainment happens online. AI, remote jobs, virtual reality, and smart devices all depend on strong digital infrastructure. As these technologies grow, so does the need for reliable online systems. Here's how it makes money. Companies that use digital storage or networks pay fees. As an investor, you get a share of those profits, like earning rent from a property you own. Some platforms even pay out monthly dividends, just like a paycheck. Take Sarah, for example, a 30-year-old freelancer. She invested $1,000 in a digital data sharing co-op. Within a year, her shares had grown by 40%, and she was earning $50 monthly in passive income. The best part? You don't need a lot of money to start. Apps like Nextcloud Shares, fictional, allow you to invest as little as $100. It's a simple, low-cost way to turn your frugal savings into long-term wealth. For people who live simply and spend wisely, digital infrastructure shares are a modern asset that works quietly in the background, helping you build wealth while you focus on what matters most. Number 2. Regenerative agriculture micro-investments. Another powerful way frugal people build wealth in 2025 is by investing in regenerative agriculture micro-investments. This might sound complicated, but it's really about supporting small, eco-friendly farms while earning passive income. Regenerative agriculture is a farming method that heals the soil, captures carbon, and produces healthy crops without harming the environment. These farms grow food while helping the planet. But here's the cool part. You can invest in them, even with just a little money. Small farms often need funding to grow. In return, they share profits with investors. You might earn money from crop sales, carbon credits, paid by companies to offset pollution, or even farm-based ecotourism. For example, Lisa, a schoolteacher, invested $500 in a vertical farm through a platform. The farm sells fresh produce to local grocery stores and restaurants. In just 1 year, Lisa earned $75 in passive income, while her investment grew by 20%. Why does this matter now? With climate change and rising food prices, people want healthier, local food. Governments and big companies are also supporting eco-friendly farms. This means more demand and more profits for regenerative agriculture. For frugal people, this is a perfect match. Your money supports a good cause, grows over time, and creates passive income without much effort. It's wealth building that feels as good as it pays. Number 3. IP rights to niche digital content. Another unique way frugal people build wealth in 2025 is by investing in IP rights to niche digital content. IP stands for intellectual property, things like music, videos, books, or digital art. When you own IP rights, you get paid whenever that content is used or sold. Think about it like this. Imagine you owned the rights to a popular song. Every time someone streamed it, you'd earn a small payment. But today, it's not just music. You can invest in educational videos, AI-generated audiobooks, podcast clips, or even YouTube channels. Why is this such a smart move? In 2025, digital content is bigger than ever. People are learning, working, and entertaining themselves online. That means more content being created and consumed, and more chances for passive income. The best part? You don't need to create anything yourself. You're simply investing in content that already exists and keeps earning money over time. For frugal people, it's an easy way to turn small savings into long-term income while owning a piece of the digital world. Number 4. Ecoenergy microbonds. A smart, eco-friendly way frugal people build wealth in 2025 is by investing in Ecoenergy microbonds. These are small investments in renewable energy projects like solar farms, wind turbines, and community power grids. Here's how it works. When a company or community wants to build a green energy project, they raise money by selling microbonds. As an investor, you lend them money and, in return, earn regular interest payments, like earning rent from a house you own. Why is this a great opportunity now? In 2025, countries and companies are racing toward net zero carbon goals. This means they need more clean energy, creating more projects that need funding. Your investment not only helps the planet, but also grows your wealth. The best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to start. Many platforms let you invest as little as $100. Plus, microbonds are usually low risk because they're backed by real projects with steady returns. For frugal people, Ecoenergy microbonds offer a win-win. Your money works for you while supporting a cleaner, greener future. It's passive income that feels good and pays well. Number 5. Skillshare ownership in AI-powered learning hubs. In 2025, learning new skills online is bigger than ever. Frugal people are turning this trend into wealth by investing in Skillshare ownership in AI-powered learning hubs. These are online platforms where people teach and learn skills like coding, design, or languages. Here's how it works. Learning hubs use AI to match teachers with learners. As an investor, you can own a small share of the platform. Every time someone buys a course or joins a workshop, you earn a piece of the profit. Why is this a smart move now? With remote work, gig jobs, and AI-driven careers growing fast, millions of people are learning new skills. These platforms are booming, and investors benefit as more users join. For example, Sam, a recent college grad, invested $300 in an AI-powered coding hub through a platform. Within a year, he earned $50 in passive income, and the value of his share increased by 20%. That means you don't need to be a teacher or tech expert. You're simply investing in platforms that help others learn while you earn. For frugal people, it's a simple way to turn small savings into steady income while supporting lifelong learning worldwide. Number 6. Fractional ownership of adaptive real estate. A smart way frugal people build wealth in 2025 is by investing in fractional ownership of adaptive real estate. This means owning a small share of flexible properties, like co-working spaces, modular homes, or short-term rental units. Here's how it works. Imagine a building designed for many uses: part office, part living space, part event hub. As an investor, you can buy a small share of the property. When the space is rented out, you earn a share of the rental income. Why is this a great investment now? After the pandemic, people want flexible spaces for remote work, travel, and community living. These properties stay booked, keeping rental income flowing. The best part? You don't need to buy a whole house or deal with tenants. Fractional ownership lets you invest small amounts while enjoying steady returns. For frugal people, it's an easy way to turn savings into passive income while owning a piece of the future of real estate. Number 7. The frugal wealth formula. How it all adds up. The secret to wealth for frugal people isn't just saving money. It's about turning small savings into smart investments. By spreading their money across these 6 unique assets, they create multiple streams of passive income. Think of it like this. Instead of letting $100 sit in a savings account earning almost nothing, they invested in digital infrastructure shares, regenerative farms, or adaptive real estate. Each investment quietly earns returns like little money machines working in the background. The best part? These assets don't require constant attention. As the income flows in, frugal investors reinvest their earnings, creating a snowball effect. This frugal flywheel means small efforts lead to big results over time. Living simply gives them the freedom to invest without stress. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. In 2025, frugal wealth builders aren't just surviving, they're thriving. In 2025, being frugal isn't just about saving money, it's about using it wisely to build wealth. By investing in modern assets, frugal people turn small savings into steady passive income. These smart choices let their money work quietly in the background, growing year after year. They don't sacrifice comfort, they invest in freedom. The future belongs to those who live simply but think smart. With the right assets, anyone can build wealth without stress. In the end, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you invest. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.